Are you ready to ace your finals and impress your teachers? In this video, I'll be sharing with you a simple, effective method to help you study and remember all the information you need to know. But before we dive into the tips, I want to hear from you. Head to the comments section and share your best advice on how you prepare for your exams and what works best for you. Tip number 1, find a focused space. The power of environment can't be ignored when it comes to studying. Try to find a quiet, focused space where you can study, whether it's your classroom, school, or library. According to James Clear in his book, Atomic Habits, changing your environment can change your focus. If you're studying from home, try to create a designated study space and stick to it every day.
Tip 2, treat your study session like a real class. Imagine you're in an actual exam. How would you act and behave? Focus, sit up straight, and treat your study session like it's the real thing. Wear clothes that make you feel smart, make a revision timetable, and say no to distractions. By taking your study session seriously, you send a powerful message to yourself and those around you.
Tip number 3, get digitally organized. Clarity and organization are key to success in studying. Make a calendar and stick to it. Know what you're doing and when, and focus on one task at a time. Turn off social media and other distractions and make it a habit to focus on one task until it's completed before moving on to the next.
Tip 4, take breaks and move your body. A still body is an uninspired body. Studies have shown that walking for just 20 minutes can increase activity in the brain's neural pathways. Make it a habit to take short walks, get fresh air and sunlight, and aim for at least 6,000 steps every day.
Tip number 5, be curious, not judgmental. Learning can sometimes be boring, but the best students are the most curious. Ask questions, participate, and be mentally engaged. Be curious about why you got something wrong and what you need to learn, and seek help from others.
Tip 6, have realistic expectations. Setting in realistic expectations can lead to frustration and disappointment. Have realistic expectations and understand that it's okay to make mistakes. The goal is to learn and improve, not to know everything.
By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to acing your finals and impressing your teachers. So, get organized, get focused, and get ready to succeed.